In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Slack. Setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a crucial step in enhancing the security of your Slack account. This method adds an additional layer of security by requiring not only your password but also a second form of verification to access your account. Let's walk through the process and ensure your account is well protected. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Slack website. When you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. This will lead you to the page where you can choose your preferred method of logging into your Slack account. In this case, we'll proceed by selecting Google. Once you've clicked Google, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account credentials. Carefully enter your information and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that's linked to your Slack workspace for a seamless authentication process. Now that you're logged in, you need to access your profile settings. Look towards the bottom left corner of your Slack interface, where you will see your profile picture. Clicking on it will bring up a menu. Look for the profile option and select it. This will navigate you to your profile page, which contains a variety of options and settings related to your Slack account. On your profile page, locate the three dots on the right-hand side, which signify an additional menu. Click these dots to reveal more settings options. From this menu, find and click on Account Settings. This will direct you to a new page dedicated to various account configurations. On the Settings page, scroll down until you come across the Two-Factor Authentication section. Expanding this section will show you the option to set up 2FA. Click on Set up Two-Factor Authentication, which will initiate the setup process. Before proceeding, you will need to verify your identity for security purposes. You'll be prompted to enter your Slack account password. Carefully type in your password to confirm it, ensuring it's correct. This step is crucial as it verifies that you're the legitimate account owner. Once you've entered your password, look for the Confirm Password button and click it to proceed with enabling two-factor authentication. This action solidifies the first step in setting up your 2FA, paving the way to complete the activation process. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully taken substantial steps to secure your Slack account with two-factor authentication. Your account is now more secure, requiring additional verification that enhances protection against unauthorized access. Remember, keeping your credentials safe and regularly updating your security settings are excellent practices for maintaining your account's integrity.